Drywall installation and repair is often performed by builders who specialize in this work, particularly on large construction sites, but it may also be performed by general contractors, especially in residential contracting. Homeowners often perform these tasks on their own homes too. In addition to these, those who work in plumbing, electrical, or other trades frequently need to replace or repair drywall affected by their work. Anyone who works in construction and home repair at any level needs familiarity with drywall uses and the best practices for the installation and repair of drywall. In this course, we'll focus on the drywall basics, describe what drywall is, and explain all the different kinds. Then, we'll look at the process for installing drywall, from preparing the underlying structure to the final cuts and installation. Next, we'll get into drywall repair and the necessary practices for repairing different issues with the drywall. And finally, we'll finish with drywall safety and cover dangers from factors such as dust, ventilation, and even the blades used in drywall work.